Have you ever thought about growing your own salad garden? It's a delightful endeavor that guarantees freshness, the absence of pesticides, and the sheer convenience of availability. Imagine having a fresh salad at your fingertips, straight from your garden. A successful salad garden starts with the right location. Sunlight is key, so opt for a spot that gets plenty of it. Your soil should be well drained, and for that fresh salad on demand, keep the garden close to the kitchen. Once you've found the perfect spot, you're ready to prepare your salad garden. A well-prepared garden bed is the foundation of a bountiful salad garden. Start by clearing the area of debris. Next, turn the soil to aerate it, promoting healthy root growth. Lastly, enrich the soil by mixing in some compost. With your garden bed prepared, it's time to choose and plant your salad greens. The beauty of a salad garden is the variety of greens you can grow. From the buttery crunch of lettuce, the tender sweetness of spinach, to the peppery punch of arugula, each brings a unique flavor to your salad bowl. Planting these greens starts with a simple sowing of seeds or transplanting seedlings into your prepared garden bed. Remember, regular watering is key to their growth. With your greens planted and watered, all that's left is to watch them grow and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Growing your own salad garden is a rewarding experience. We've walked through choosing the right location, preparing the garden bed, and planting salad greens. The benefits are fresh, tasty salads right at your fingertips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!